explainhelp.co.uk. Hi and welcome back to another explainhelp.co.uk video. This video is to show you the public.airspaces.app application in progress. So at the moment we are at Compton Abbas, and I'm going to take off, and you're going to see how good this tool is. So let's just run a bit of short runway here at the moment. And there we go. So we're up in the air. So the whole point of this application is to be able to view your flight's progress on a web browser across any device. And that's exactly what's happening. So once you've started your flight, go to your web page on your device using Google or whatever, type in public.airspaces.app. When you start the app, or when the web page loads, it will come up with a default global view of the world. All you simply need to do is just zoom in on the area, the airport where you are flying from, and the black aeroplane like you see there will be displayed. So I've taken off from Compton Abbas, and I'm going to do a quick circuit around the airfield. And I can see that on this web page I can see exactly where I am. So if I wanted to, I could just go away, put it on autopilot, go away, and make myself a coffee or whatever I want to do. When I downloaded this application yesterday, I ended up flying the length and the breadth of the British Isles in the Boeing 737, and what I did was every half an hour I had a quick glance at my phone to see where I was, and then it was a case of, right, where should we land? And that was all there was to it. So you can see there now that we're currently heading about west, about due west at the minute, and you can see everything on there is easily identified as well. What you can do, and I'm not going to do it at the moment because I've got a bit of a problem with the recording software that I use. If you highlight this here, actually I might be able to do it. So if I highlight this box here, what I can do is I can tick in there, and then what it will do is it will then show me the actual airfield here. Now obviously Compton Abbas is just a simple GA airfield, so it doesn't have ILS functionality or anything like that, but when you click on that button, when you put the mouse over that box, it comes up with options. You can put a tick in the show airports and NDBs, and it will come up with useful information such as what you're seeing on there. So we're going to make a tight turn here. I know exactly where I am in relation to the airfield. In fact, the airfield is just over there to my left. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the power. I'm probably a bit too high actually for landing at the minute. There's the airfield to my left, and if I bring the aircraft over to my left, and there's the airfield there. So reduce the engine power right down. Well, yeah, we should be able to land at this speed. And there we are, coming in to land. I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can do whatever I want with it. And there we are. And there we go. Bit of a shit landing. Brakes on. We are going to overrun, but the whole point of the video is to show you the airfield. And there we are. So even though we've overrun the airfield at Compton Abbas, that's not really the point of this video. So there we are, we just came in too quick. The point of this video is to show you the result of this. So now you can see on here that this was a circuit we flew around Compton Abbas. You could see exactly where the aircraft was at all times. What you can also do is you can click on here on the aircraft itself, and you can see your ground speed, your height, your heading, all the essential information you want. And also, if you go back and click on this layer, this layer button, what it then does is, if you click on satellite, you can see a satellite image of the area that you're flying in. Terrain, there you go, there's another one. Roads as well, all the usual bits and pieces. And there you go, this one's quite useful, topography, so you can see the hills and everything around you. So there we are, that's public.airspaces.app. A very handy app if you want to monitor your flight from an external device away from your PC. Thanks for watching, sorry about the landing, explainhelp.co.uk, cheers.